Hi, everybody. Okay, I just found out about something. A friend of mine told me about a new recipe that he put together. It's only 2 ingredients. Can't get any easier than that. Super Bowl is coming up, very close. We're only a couple weeks till Super Bowl. And he said that he tried Zesty Italian salad dressing mix. Okay, these are just the envelopes. You're supposed to put vinegar in this, but just the powder. And he added one of these little, it's equal parts, okay? He used this, okay? This is Sazon seasoning, and they come in envelopes, okay? They come in envelopes. Now, he also saw it, he sent me this. This is a Caribbean mix. You can find it like this. It's the same stuff as the envelopes. These are very common. I find these everywhere. All the markets have them. This one, I want to say he might have gotten this at like a dollar store or some kind of dollar place, but it's the same thing, same exact stuff. Has a lot of flavor. So you put equal parts of this, and I was kind of going, I tried it. It was so good. These wings were tasty, and they're beautiful. The color, because of this, I'm telling you, it was really good. Okay, so I'm gonna make some wings using these two. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I did it. Super easy recipe. I'm also gonna make an Alabama white sauce, and that's a really easy dipping sauce for the wings. So let's do it. So right here I have a dozen wings. Okay, I found these in a package at Costco. So all I'm gonna do, and this is what I did the last time, just add a little bit of olive oil. And then just kind of make sure that the olive oil is everywhere. The only reason I did this, originally my friend just told me, my friend Edward, I want to give him the credit, Edward told me about this recipe. Now Edward just said just put it on the wings, but I added the olive oil because the seasoning is going to stick better to the wings with the olive oil. So right here I have a little bowl, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons each of the Sazon and the Zesty Italian seasoning. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this, and I'm just going to kind of mix it together, and that's all the seasoning you're going to need. Basically, when it comes to this seasoning, you put as much as you want on your wings. So I'm going to judge it based on the color. Okay, so I'm just going to put some on here. Okay, and just make sure it's all coated all over. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking this is going to be fine. Okay, I'm going to use the whole two teaspoons. And both of these seasonings have a lot of good stuff in them. And look at this beautiful color. So we're going to air fry these. Make it really easy. These are great party wings. Want to make a quick dinner or for the upcoming Super Bowl? Super good. Okay, so now let's get our air fryer ready. So here's my air fryer, and with my air fryer, I have to preheat my air fryer. Okay, I have it at 400, and I'm going for 25 minutes, and I'm going to flip them in between. So I'll show you when it preheats. Okay, so now it says add food. That's the way mine works. So now I'm going to spray the bottom of my basket, and I'm going to add my wings. Okay, so here's my wings. Okay, so we're going 25 minutes, and it's at 400 degrees. So now it's just going to count down. I'm going to flip them at the halfway point. Now this is going to be my Alabama white sauce, okay? I saw this recipe and I thought, that sounds really good as a wing sauce to dip my wings. So this is 1 cup of mayonnaise. Ooh. 1 cup of mayonnaise. And this is 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Yep, that's what we have right here. Okay, so this is my Alabama wing sauce. I'm going to mix all this together. And then let's see how it tastes with my wings. Looks pretty good. So this is the halfway point. These are my wings. They look beautiful. So I'm gonna flip them all over, and we're gonna go another 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're going 25 total. Gonna flip them all over. Okay, then we're gonna go the rest of the way. Okay, here is my platter. Isn't this gorgeous? Serve this to your friends. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first let's talk about the Alabama white sauce. What can you use it for? It is used on burgers, sandwiches, chicken, like a coleslaw dressing. You can use it on fish, pork, beef, or even drizzle it on veggies. This is a sweet and tangy dressing. It's very tasty. So I'm going to taste my wings and I'm going to dip them in that sauce. Okay, let me talk about this. First time I made it, I could not believe how good that flavor is for 2 ingredients. Remember, it is Sazon, just the Sazon seasoning, and Zesty Italian salad dressing. That's it, equal parts. So let me taste these 2 together. Okay guys, I'm gonna grab one of my little wings. First I'm gonna taste it like this because it is so good. Okay, I was a little nervous that I might have overspiced it because I used 2 teaspoons and 2 teaspoons. It tastes so good. This is really, really good. 2 ingredient seasoning for your chicken wings. How easy. It's really, really good, okay? This is Edward Carloni. He's my friend. We met through the YouTube thing, and he sends me recipes. He was a chef, and he discovered that these 2 are really good together. Really try it. I really recommend it. Okay, so I want to taste it with a little bit of this white sauce. Now remember, this white sauce pretty much is supposed to go with everything. It's sweet and tangy. This is a good combination. This is a good combination. So this is my 2 ingredient wings. I just added the oil, but you don't have to, just so that it can stick. But my zesty wings with the Zesty Italian salad dressing mix and the Sazon. And then this is my Alabama white sauce. Yummy! These are really good wings. If you're searching for something different for your Super Bowl party or just any gathering, this is a really easy meal to make, okay? So these are my wings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.